Hi everyone, today I want to make a delicious juice, a new way to make your fresh orange juice fun and for your kids to drink, for you, for anybody. Just some unique idea. So I have Omega masticating juicer, low speed here. I have two oranges, so you will need about a cup of oranges. I already juiced some of them right here, and before, and I'll just show you right now as well using the other cut up oranges that I have. So let's start with this first. Turn it on. So the juice will go here, and the pulp and whatever is left goes here. Whatever's left over will go here. So I'm using navel oranges. I'm using about 2 oranges, but I made it extra half in case if it's not enough. You know, some of the oranges are a little bit smaller or bigger, so just to make sure you have enough, just use 2.5 oranges. Now, the juice also comes with like this kind of thing, like mesh, to get all the pulp in here. If you don't want any juice, I like that in my juice usually, so I will be using my recipe, having that in my juice, the pulp. So now I have a cup here. I'm gonna measure a cup. About a cup of orange juice, fresh. Okay. So I made extra, like I said before, in case I may use 2.5 oranges, in case. Then I'm going to use a half of cup of cranberry juice. And then here comes the fun part that's making this thing very special. I'm using passion fruit sorbet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out beforehand, the amount that you will need. So you don't have to like melt the whole thing. So this way, if it's not melted, it'll be hard to mix. But once it's melted, it's easy. So you will need 1/8 of a cup of the sorbet. You don't need too much, so you can set it aside. I don't have much left over in the container, so I left the whole thing. And you're gonna put it into your cup to mix it with the juice. So this is the fun part that makes this juice very special. I'm gonna use like the fork to the part that is not mixed, the sorbet that didn't melt fully. Use the fork to kind of like whisk it around. I tried the whisker thing, but it didn't really work, so I'm using the fork. I feel that it's working better if your sorbet didn't fully mix. So I'm going to put this right here. Take a beautiful cup and a beautiful straw, and you're set to go. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you.